Imagine earning money while you sleep. But what if I told you that 90% of people get it all wrong? Stick around to uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing that could change your life or leave you empty-handed. Imagine stepping into the world of affiliate marketing with dreams of easy earnings and a life of luxury. Many enter this realm believing it's a straight path to riches where money flows in with minimal effort. This couldn't be further from the truth, and today we're going to debunk some of the most common myths surrounding affiliate marketing, setting you on the right path to success. First up, the myth that affiliate marketing is an instant cash generator. The reality, success in affiliate marketing is not instant. It requires time, patience, and a lot of hard work. Building a platform that attracts and engages an audience takes strategic planning and consistent effort. The affiliates who succeed are those who treat it like a real business, understanding their audience's needs and preferences and offering them value. Then there's the belief that success in affiliate marketing is guaranteed for everyone. Unfortunately, this isn't the case. Success varies greatly and is influenced by numerous factors, including the niche you choose, the quality of your content, and how well you connect with your audience. It's a competitive field, and standing out requires both creativity and commitment. Lastly, many people mistakenly believe affiliate marketing is a passive income stream from day one. While it can become a source of passive income over time, this outcome is the result of continuous hard work. You need to constantly update content, analyze performance data, and adjust your strategies to keep pace with digital marketing trends. Understanding these truths about affiliate marketing is essential for setting realistic expectations and laying the foundation for long-term success. Now, I'm curious which of these myths surprised you the most. Choosing the right niche in affiliate marketing is like picking the perfect pair of glasses. It's not just about looks, it's about clarity, comfort, and ultimately how well they help you see. Imagine trying to read your favorite book with lenses that just don't suit your vision. Similarly, selecting a niche just because it appears profitable is like wearing those mismatched glasses. Sure, they might look flashy, but will they serve your needs in the long run? Not likely. The magic begins when your niche aligns with your passion, expertise, and what the market is eager for. This harmony creates a clear focus for your marketing efforts, making your work not only more effective, but also more enjoyable. Consider a niche you're passionate about. Every piece of content you create, every product you promote, feels less like work and more like sharing a part of your world. This genuine enthusiasm is infectious, captivating your audience and forging stronger connections. On the flip side, choosing a niche solely for its profitability, without considering your interest or knowledge in the area, can lead to a disengaged audience. Why? Because the lack of authenticity and expertise shines through. It's like trying to lead a tour in a city you've never visited. You might hit a few key spots, but the lack of depth will be noticeable. Now, think about this. Have you ever pursued something purely for the potential gains, only to realize your heart just wasn't in it? How did that turn out? Choosing the right niche not only sets the stage for success in affiliate marketing, but also in any venture you pursue. Imagine you're at a bustling marketplace where each stall vies for your attention. The ones that catch your eye, make you pause, or even convince you to buy something aren't just about the flashiest products or the loudest promotions. They're about the sellers who connect with you, who offer something genuinely useful, and who seem trustworthy. That's exactly what the world of affiliate marketing is like. Your content is your stall in this vast online marketplace, and how you engage with your audience determines whether they'll walk past or stop and shop. Creating valuable content isn't just about ticking boxes or stuffing keywords into articles. It's about understanding what your audience needs, solving their problems, and providing them with insights that they can't find anywhere else. But here's the kicker. You can't just put this content out into the world and hope for the best. Engagement, responding to comments, asking for feedback, and continuously tweaking your approach based on what your audience tells you is where the real magic happens. Trust and credibility are the cornerstones of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Think about it. Would you rather buy a product recommended by a friend who's used it or a stranger on a street corner shouting about deals? By providing honest reviews, discussing your personal experiences with products, and being transparent about your affiliate relationships, you're not just selling, you're building a community. Your audience needs to know that you have their best interests at heart, that you're guiding them to products that you genuinely believe in. Now, imagine you're that standout stall in the marketplace. How do you ensure that people don't just stop, but also listen, engage, and trust your recommendations? By being authentic, by genuinely wanting to help, and by being transparent in your affiliate marketing practices. But here's a question to ponder. What would make you trust an affiliate marketer's recommendation? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. When you peel back the layers of affiliate marketing beyond the glitz of potentially earning while you sleep, there's a core of hard technical skills that can make or break your success. Think of SEO, or search engine optimization, as your secret weapon. It's not just about sprinkling keywords into your content. It's about understanding how search engines view your site, how to structure your content to maximize visibility, and how to engage users so they stay longer and interact more. Each of these elements sends positive signals to search engines, boosting your content's ranking and your visibility to potential customers. Now, weave in the power of content marketing. This isn't about creating content for content's sake. It's about crafting stories that resonate, providing value that binds your audience to you. Can your content solve a problem? Can it answer a question before it's asked? Quality content drives engagement, and engagement drives sales. It's as simple and as complex as that. Don't forget about the dynamic duo of social media and email marketing. These aren't just channels for promotion, they're your channels for building relationships. Use social media to engage in real conversations to spotlight the benefits and practical uses of the products you're promoting. Meanwhile, email marketing allows you to get personal. It's where you can provide exclusive content, insider tips, and special deals. It's direct, it's personal, and most importantly, it drives traffic right where you want it. Mastering these technical skills doesn't just enhance your affiliate marketing efforts, it transforms them. By ensuring that every piece of content you produce, every SEO strategy you implement, and every email you send adds value and builds trust, you're not just aiming for a one-time sale. You're building a sustained income stream that can grow over time. But here's something to think about. Which of these technical skills do you find most challenging, and what steps are you taking to improve? Share your experiences and challenges in the comments below.